Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to delete business page on Facebook. Okay, so let's get started. Then first of all click on Facebook app. Okay, then tap on menu option, double click and choose your page. Okay, and tap on menu, scroll down, click on settings and privacy option and tap on settings, scroll down, okay, then tap on access and control, click on delete page and just tap on continue. Then to delete business page on Facebook. That's all. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment.